Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever dealt with large datasets in Python and felt your code was gobbling up to too much memory, then this video is for you. Today we are going to explain generators in Python. This is a secret weapon for writing memory efficient and high performance code. So let's start. So the first thing is, what are generators actually? A generator in Python is like a smart iterator. Instead of creating an entire list in memory, it generates one item at a time on the fly as you loop through it. Pretty neat, right? And what are some key benefits of using generators? Generators are very memory efficient. Generators do not store entire sequence in memory. Instead, they generate values on the fly as you iterate over them. And this is especially useful when you are working with the large datasets where keeping everything in memory, for example like a list, could be inefficient or even impossible due to memory constraints. Second benefits of using generators is that lazy evaluation. Generators evaluate values lazily, meaning they can generate values only when needed. This can lead to performance improvement, particularly when you don't need to process every item at once. And the third benefit of using generators is that performance, since they only produce one item at a time and do not require the creation of the entire data structure like a list or tuple, they are generally faster in terms of time complexity for larger data sets. Fourth benefit of using generators is that it has improved readability. You can use a generator expression to create complex iterators without writing verbose loops or improving code readability. So now, so to create a generator, we are going to use here yield keyword. So let's start. We will define a function countdown, and it will take input n, and then we will create like a while n greater than 0, and then we will use the yield keyword n, and then we will define n is equal to 1. We are updating n here, and then again we will create a variable counter from countdown, and we are going to create iterators till 5, or like a generators till 5. So we will give the input is equal to 5, and then for number in counter we will print number. So let's check. As we can see here that here countdown function yields one at a time, and instead of returning them all at once. So this is our generator, and we can use generator expressions to create a generator. So code for that will be square underscore gen equal to gen equal to x star x for x in range 5, and then we can create a for loop for a square in square underscore gen print square. Okay, just leave it. Okay, square. As you can see here that it has printed squared numbers or iterators. And when do we need to generators? When we are working with the large data sets where we need to minimize the memory usage, and we can also use generators when processing streaming data, for example like reading large files line by line, handling API responses. And we can also use generators when we need to lazy load values, meaning you only want to compute the next value when required, for example like infinite sequences or pipelining computations. So that's when we can use generators. And if you found this video helpful, drop a like and share it with the fellow coder. And hey, if you are into Python tips or SQL or preparing for data science interviews, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And I'm uploading daily videos on SQL queries, so you can check out that playlist. So thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button.